Hi, my name is Mike Reed, and I'd like to thank you for coming in and checking out this video on free training to get into the golden arches. All right, so today's equipment is going to include two different styles. One is the blending cup, and the other one is the fresh blender. All right, so let me show you a little presentation. At the end of the presentation, you're going to get the codes to get into the free class. It's going to be a live stream. You will be able to ask the instructor in real time questions and they'll be able to answer you. So let's see here. Let's go into it. In the description for the video, I'm going to include the links for the live stream. So, and once again, this is going to be, let's see here. Let me just make this a little bigger. All right. So um, you can see right in the center of the screen right there, that McCafe cup. This is the multiplex blend in cup machine. This makes all kind of the frappes. This will also make the strawberry banana smoothie, any other type of drink. What this does is it dispenses ice into the cup, and then the blender blade comes down and it will mix up the drink. Now, some of you have taken advantage of that Follett online training and that live stream that Follett had. I need you to keep taking those classes because this machine has that Follett inside of it. So it's all self-contained. The ice machine and the blender, the drink bags are in the bottom. Everything is all in this machine. If you ever look in the back area of the Golden Arches, you will actually see this machine over there in that McCafe area. So, like I said, it's going to be free training. This is held by Multiplex, and they do this training a couple of times a month. And it's always something different. They do a whole series. They'll teach you how to uncrate the item, how to set it up, how to program it, and then they'll how to test it. And then they also take you through classes on how to service it. So that's for the multiplex and for the blending cup machine. All right, let me take you to the next stream here. This is what the class is going to look like. This is what your screen will show you. They have all the data. Everything is available for download. All right, and once again, I give you the access code. Everything is in the last slide. This is a picture of actually one of my machines that I actually own. And if you can see at the very top left, that is the cylinder for the Follett. That is where all the ice is made. And then you see the white tubes that go down. That's the ice ride system. And it brings that ice down to dispense it into the cup. All right, that's what the front looks like on an actual unit. This one that I have, it came from a casino. It didn't actually come from a McDonald's. This came out of a casino. So there's the compressor. Just a nice side view. So on the right side, if you're looking at the front of it, on the right side, you have the compressor and the dryer and all that other good stuff. And on the left side, that's where you have the control boards and everything. And all of these are on wheels. See here, this is the blending cup, fresh blender. I'm sorry, this is a fresh blender, and this is the 2.0 version. So this has got a larger display screen where you could actually touch everything, and this is set up for the actual people to walk up, customers to walk up and use the machine. So you will see these currently in a lot of gas station convenience stores. All right, here's more of the breakdown of the unit. And as you can see from these screenshots, it is exactly like the one I have. All right, it's just the display is a lot larger. and they made it a little more intuitive. Plus, you only have one blender, so the cup comes down, it slides over, blends it, and brings it out to the customer. And the other one has two. You have two blenders in there. All right, so this is from their Instagram pages. This one is from a gym. So these can be in any number of places. So you're not just going to see this in the Golden Arches. Uh, a large number of places will carry this. So now that you've seen it, you can't unsee it. You'll be able to notice these in a number of places. All right. So here's your meeting ID. Try to make this video quick for you guys. Here's the meeting ID. All right. There's the passcode. And these are the two dates. So on the 22nd of February and on the 23rd. So on the 22nd, you have the blending cup. That's the one that's showing you the pictures with the smaller display, the one that's in the mid cafe area. So that's 9 a.m. Eastern time. All right. And then they have a second class. These are the same class. So if you miss the morning class, you can always take the afternoon class. And the afternoon class is 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then the class for the large display, the fresh blender, that is 9 a.m. And then again at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And once again, it's the 22nd and the 23rd. Now, I'm trying to give you guys more of these classes, let you know I have some refrigeration classes that are free, but I need to get my subscribership up. We need to, I need at least another 50 more subscribers, and then I can tell you guys about the free refrigeration classes. All right, so subscribe to the channel and then check the description for this video, and I will include the link for the class. All right, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe.